Hi guys, it's Carol and welcome back to my YouTube channel, or welcome if you're new here. Walmart just released some new summer fashion finds, and I also found some items that's going to be perfect for early fall. I'm going to have everything linked down below in the description box for you guys to shop and pin to the first comment. Also, if you're new here, please consider hitting the subscribe button down below and follow me on all my social media. Starting out with this dress from Terra and Sky that's going to be perfect for summer, but this dress is going to also transition to fall perfectly. It is available in sizes 0x to 5x. I'm wearing it here in the size 2x and the price is $27.98. I am wearing it here in this beautiful violet magenta color, but it's also available in two additional colors. This dress features a squared neckline and it's super stretchy in the neckline. I'm sure you could wear this dress off the shoulder. It does have oversized puff sleeve and I love the beautiful ruffle details going around the sleeve. This dress has some beautiful ruching detail here in the bust and it's fully smocked in the waist and super stretchy. This dress is made from 100% cotton. It's unlined but not see-through, and it does have two pockets to the side. This dress is a midi length on me. You could go ahead and style this dress with your favorite ballet flats, your favorite heels, but I feel like you could pair this dress with your favorite boots also in the fall. And the color of this dress is just so bright and vibrant. It's gonna be perfect for summer and fall. Next up is another dress from Terra and Sky that's gonna be perfect for summer and fall. This dress is available in sizes 0x to 5x. I'm wearing it here in the size 2x and the price is $24.98. I did go ahead and pick it up in this dark wine floral print, but it's also available in two additional colors. This dress features a V neckline, oversized balloon sleeves, and it's very oversized and roomy in the arm, which I always appreciate, and it does have a button cuff. This dress is made from 100% cotton, very lightweight and breathable. It's unlined but not see-through. This dress is very oversized throughout. Maybe I could have sized down to the size 1x, but it does come with a belt here at the waist which you could tie to give your waist some more shape. This dress is a mini length on me, but not too much of a mini. Go ahead and style this dress with your favorite summer footwear, but for fall you could go ahead and style it with your favorite knee-high boots or your favorite booties. I just absolutely love the overall look of this dress, and it's gonna be perfect for summer and fall. This mini dress from Terra and Sky is available in sizes 0x to 4x. I'm wearing it here in the size 1x and the price is $24.98. I am wearing it here in this beautiful merlot wine color, but it's also available in one additional print. This dress features a higher crew neckline and it has a beautiful ruffle trim going around the neckline, functional buttons going down the chest, and it does have a hidden button here at the chest to prevent gaping. This is a sleeveless dress. It's super stretchy in the waistline. This dress is made from 100% cotton and it is lined in the skirt area, so it's definitely not see-through. And because of the lining in the skirt, I would suggest you guys size up one in this dress because this dress just barely fits me. This dress has two pockets at the side, a tiered layer and a ruffled hem, and this dress is a mini length on me. Go ahead and style this dress with your favorite sandals, your favorite ballet flats or sneakers, and you could transition this dress to fall by adding your favorite cardigan and knee-high boots. Next up is this maxi dress from Scoop. It's available in sizes 0 to 26 women's. I'm wearing it here in the size 22 and the price is $34, but it's currently on rollback for $25.50. So hopefully it's still on rollback by the time I post this video. I did go ahead and pick up this dress in black, but it's also available in two additional colors. This dress features a V neckline, and going around the neckline we have the beautiful scallop trim. It does have two strings here at the neckline which you could tie to create a keyhole detail. This is a sleeveless dress and it does have thicker straps. I was able to wear my regular bra with this dress. In the back of this dress it does have a hidden zipper going all the way down, and this dress has two pockets to the side. This dress is made from 100% polyester and is fully lined underneath. I want to say this dress is very lightweight and breathable. This dress is a maxi length on me. You could go ahead and dress this dress up for date night or dinner with your girls with your favorite heels, but you could also dress it down down with your favorite sandals or ballet flats. And of course, you could layer it with your favorite cardigan. I just absolutely love the overall look of this dress. This is the type of dress you could definitely dress up or dress down. Next up is this button down from Free Assembly that's giving all the vacation vibes. It's available in sizes extra small to 4X. I'm wearing it here in the size 1X and it's only available in this pineapple navy print. It does feature a point collar, functional buttons going all the way down the front, long sleeve which are oversized, and it does have a button cuff. This button down is very roomy throughout, very lightweight and breathable, and I just absolutely love the all over pineapple print. This is going to be perfect for your summer vacation. It's very lightweight and breathable, and this button down is a good nice long length which I always appreciate, and it does have the slit to the side. Go ahead and style this button down with the matching shorts which is sold separately, or you could go ahead and style with your favorite jean shorts, your favorite jeans, your favorite linen pants, and you could go ahead and put your favorite tank top underneath this button down too and wear it open. I just absolutely love everything about this button down. I love how lightweight it is. It's gonna be perfect for the hot summer weather. Next up are these shorts from Free Assembly that matches back to the button down. It's available in sizes extra small to 4X. I'm wearing it here in the size 1X and the price is $24. I did go ahead and pick it up in the dark navy pineapple print. It does feature a high-rise fit, a very stretchy elastic waist, and it does have two functional drawstrings here at the waist, and it has two pockets to the side. This short is very lightweight and breathable. It's made from 100% viscose, and the inseam on this short is 3 inches, but I feel like it's a little bit long. It didn't feel too short on me. Go ahead and style this shorts with a matching button down, but you could also style with your favorite tank top or your favorite white tee. I just absolutely love everything about this set from Free Assembly. It's so lightweight and breathable. Next up is this tank top from Scoop. It's available in sizes extra small to 4X. I'm wearing it here in the size 1X and the price is $22. It's currently on rollback for $16.50. I am wearing it here in the snake print, but it's also available in black. This tank top features a squared neckline, and going around the neckline we have the beautiful lace trim, thin adjustable spaghetti straps, and it's very flowy throughout. This tank top is made from 100% polyester. It's very lightweight and breathable. What I love about this tank top is the double layer look here in the front, and it does have a asymmetrical hem. Go ahead and style this tank top with the matching harem pants, but you could also start with your favorite jean shorts, your favorite jeans, and I feel like this tank top would look nice style with some trousers and heels for date night. I just absolutely love how lightweight this tank top is. It's gonna be perfect for the hot summer weather. Harem pants are slowly becoming one of my favorite pants for the summer season. This one from Scoop is available in sizes extra small to 4X. I'm wearing it here in the size 1X and the price is $26. It's currently on rollback for $19.50. I did go ahead and pick it up in the snake print to match back to the tank top, but it's also available in black. These pants are a high-rise fit and it has a stretchy elastic waistline, two functional pockets to the side, and the material is very lightweight and breathable. It's made from 100% polyester, and I just love the overall snake print on these pants. This pants is fully lined underneath and it has more of a relaxed fit throughout, and then it has a jogger hem. The inseam on this pants is 28 inches. Go ahead and style this entire set with your favorite heels to dress it up for date night or a brunch with your girls, but you could also go ahead and dress it down with your favorite sandals or ballet flats. I just absolutely love the overall look of these harem pants. You could go ahead and start with a matching tank top. You could start with your favorite white tee or your favorite flowy top. Next is this top from Free Assembly. It's available in sizes extra small to 4X. I'm wearing it here in the size 2X and the price is $26. It's only available in this white print. This top features a squared neckline and it does have bra friendly tank strap. I was able to wear my regular bra with this top, and I absolutely love the gathering detail throughout on this top. What I love about this top is the stitch embroidered print on it. This top is giving all the high-end vibes. It looks so expensive. This tank top looked like something you could get from Bloomingdale's or Anthropologie. It's very flowy throughout and it's made from 100% cotton. I would suggest you guys size down one in this top. It's more on the cropped and boxy length, so you could go ahead and style it with your favorite high-rise jeans or your favorite high-rise shorts, but it does come with a matching skirt, which I'm going to share with you guys next. Next up is this maxi skirt from Free Assembly, and it matches back to the tank top. It's available in sizes extra small to 4X. I'm wearing it here in the size 2X and the price is $34. It's only available in this white print. This skirt features a high-rise fit and it does have a smoked panel here in the back and a hidden zipper. One thing to note, even though this skirt has a smoked panel here, it's not super stretchy, so the 2X in this skirt just barely fits me, so I'd suggest you guys size up one. This dress does feature a drop waist. It has two pockets to the side. It's made from 100% cotton and fully lined underneath, so you don't have to worry about it being see-through. And what I love about this skirt is the beautiful embroidery detail throughout. I feel like it just looks so expensive. This skirt is a maxi length on me. Go ahead and style this skirt with a matching tank top, but you could also style with your favorite white tee or your favorite white tank top and add your favorite footwear. Next up is this blouse from Jessica Simpson. It's available in sizes extra small to 4X. I am wearing it here in the size 4X and I did size up because I find that the items from Jessica Simpson run on the smaller side. This blouse is for $28.50, but it's currently on clearance for $6.99, and it's available here in this cream color, but it's also available in one additional color. This blouse features a squared neckline, and going around the neckline we have the beautiful ruffle trim. It does have short oversized puff sleeve and it's fully smoked here in the bust and super stretchy. It's very flowy throughout. This top has more of a empire waist, so it does offer some tummy coverage, and this blouse is made from 100% cotton. It's that lightweight gauzy material that's perfect for the summer season. Go ahead and style this blouse with your favorite shorts, your favorite jeans, or your favorite trousers. These barrel pants are from Scoop. It's available in sizes 0 to 26 women's. I'm wearing it here in the size 22 and the price is $28. It's currently on rollback for $21. I did go ahead and pick it up in this olive green, but it's also available in two additional colors. This pants is a high-rise fit. It has a button closure and a zip fly, two oversized utility pockets to the side here, and it also has two pleated cargo pockets here to the side. It is a relaxed fit throughout, and the inseam on this pants I want to say is around 25 inches, so it's very cropped, and it's made from a cotton linen blend fabric, very lightweight and breathable. Go ahead and style this pants with your favorite sandals or your favorite ballet flats or sneakers and add your favorite top. Next is this sweatshirt from Scoop. It's available in sizes 0X to 5X. I'm wearing it here in the size 2X and the original price is $14.98. It's currently on clearance for $4.25. Such a good find. It is available in this cream color, but it's also available in three additional colors. It features a higher crew neckline, drop shoulders, long sleeve that's oversized, and it does have a ribbed cuff. And what I love about this sweatshirt is that even though it has a light fleece lining inside, it's not too much of a heavyweight sweatshirt. I think this sweatshirt was released in early spring, so it's gonna be perfect for the cooler summer night. This sweatshirt is made from a cotton blend fabric, and depending on the color you get, it's gonna have different logo on the front. This logo says Bon Appetito, and I absolutely think it's just so cute. It's very roomy throughout, but you could size up one if you want it to be even more loosely fitted, and it is a longer length and it has a ribbed hem. Go ahead and style this sweatshirt with your favorite shorts or your favorite jeans, but you could go ahead and style this sweatshirt with your favorite cami by just adding it over your shoulder. I just absolutely love this sweatshirt. I'm gonna pick it up in additional colors. Next up are these denim shorts from Tara and Skies, available in sizes 16 to 26 women's. I'm wearing it here in the size 22 and the price is $19.98. I did go ahead and pick it up in this medium wash, but it's also available in several different washes. These jean shorts are a high-rise fit. It has a button closure and a zip fly, 5 pocket styling, functional pockets in the front and 2 functional pockets here in the back. It does have the light whiskering throughout, and these jeans are made from a cotton blend fabric. It's very stretchy, which I always appreciate. And what I love about these jean shorts is that it's a A-line cut, so it flares out a little bit, and I find that to be so flattering on my shape. The inseam on this short is 5 inches, so not too short. You could go ahead and style this shorts with your favorite tank top, your favorite white tee, your favorite button down or flowy top, and add your favorite sandals. Next up is this sweater from Terra and Sky. It's available in sizes 0x to 5x. I'm wearing it here in the size 2x and the price is $24.98. I did go ahead and pick it up in navy, but it's also available in 2 additional colors. This sweater features a higher ribbed crew neckline, short dolman sleeve, which is very stretchy and oversized, which I always appreciate. And it's made from a rib knit material, which is super soft to the touch. And even though this is a mid-weight sweater, it's going to be perfect for summer and also early fall. It's very stretchy throughout and it's on the longer length, which I always appreciate. And it does have a ribbed hem. Go ahead and style this sweater with your favorite jeans, your favorite shorts, or your favorite skirt. And you could go ahead and layer it also as the season get colder. Next up are these jeans from No Boundaries. It's available in sizes extra small to 4x. I'm wearing it here in the size 1x and the price is $19.98. I am wearing it here in black, but it's also available in a beautiful chocolate brown color, which is giving all the fall vibes. This jeans features a button closure and it does have 2 functional drawstrings here at the waistline, and it also has a stretchy elastic panel here in the back. This jeans is a low rise fit and I should have sized up to the size 2x for a little bit more room in the waist, so keep that in mind. It does have 2 functional pockets here in the front and I love the grommet details on the pockets, and it also has 2 functional pockets here in the back. This jeans has a relaxed fit throughout and it does have a wide leg and the inseam is 30 inches. Go ahead and style this jeans with your favorite ballet flats or sneakers, and you could go ahead and dress it up with your favorite heels. Next up is this sweatshirt from Free Assembly. It's available in sizes extra small to 4x. I'm wearing it here in the size 1x, and the original price when they released this sweatshirt in the spring was $40, but it's currently on clearance for $12.02. I am wearing it here in the navy color, but it's also available in cream. It features a higher ribbed crew neckline, drop shoulders, long sleeve that's oversized, and it does have a rib cuff. It's made from a cotton blend fabric that's super soft to the touch, and it does have a slight fleece lining inside. What I love about this sweatshirt is the embroidered New York logo here on the front. This sweatshirt is more cropped and boxy, so I suggest you guys size up one if you want it to be a little bit more roomy. Go ahead and style this sweatshirt with your favorite high-rise jeans or your favorite high-rise shorts. Next up are these jeans from Scoop. It's available in sizes 0 to 26 women's. I'm wearing it here in the size 22 and the original price is $28. It's currently on sale for $14.84 and it's only available in this light wash. These are a mid-rise jeans. It has a button closure and a zip fly, 5 pocket styling, functional pockets in the front and 2 functional pockets here in the back, and it does have the hammer loop to the side. What I didn't like about this jeans is the pocket placement here in the front. I felt like it added a little bit more bulk in the tummy area, so just keep that in mind. It does have a relaxed fit throughout and it's made from a cotton blend fabric, and it does have a wide leg. The inseam on this jeans is 30 inches, so not too short. Go ahead and style this jeans with your favorite fitted top or your favorite flowy top for the summer season. Next up are these sandals from No Boundaries. It's available in sizes 6 to 11. I have it here in black, but it's also available in pink. It's currently on clearance for $6.36. It does feature more of a rounded toe, and I love the cage detail going across on the sandals, and it also have these beautiful rhinestone detail going across. This sandals also features a memory foam insole, which is super soft to the touch, and it does have the slip resistant outer sole. Go ahead and style these sandals with your favorite jeans or your favorite dress. This is just such a cute sandals. Next, I want to tell you guys about 2 items that I ordered that's currently on clearance. I didn't receive them as yet, but I want to share them with you guys before they're sold out. And first is a boxy tee from Free Assembly that's available in sizes extra small to 4x. I did go ahead and pick it up in the size 2x, and the original price was $8. It's currently on clearance for $6. I did go ahead and pick it up in the pineapple print, but it's also available in several different colors and prints. This t-shirt has a crew neckline, short sleeve. It's made from 100% cotton, and it's more on the cropped and boxy length it's saying here, so I did go ahead and size up to the size 2x. The next clearance find that I ordered but didn't receive as yet is a 2-piece short set from Just My Size. It's available in sizes 0x to 4x, and I did go ahead and pick it up in the size 2x, and the white one is on clearance for $2.85. That's such a steal. I'm gonna have a picture to the side that you guys could see how it looks. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and comment down below which pieces were your favorite. If you made it until the end of this video, leave me a comment with a peach emoji so that I know that you stuck it out until the end. Also, if you're not following me on the Like to Know It app, go ahead and give me a follow over there. I do post new arrivals, restock alert, outfit ideas, and so much more. I also posted on the post tab here on YouTube, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.